Hi, my name is Tony, and I'm here at the HeartFit clinic enjoying my last EECP treatment with Diamond Fernandez. And I just wanted to offer you my testimonial.
Why did you come to the clinic?
Well, I've had cardiovascular disease for over 25 years now. I had stents put in about 25 years ago, but because of my poor diet and all that stuff, my chest pains and also shortness of breath came back. And this time when I went for an angioplasty, they said I need to have bypass surgery, which is something I didn't really want to do. So I did a lot of research to find out what are the alternatives other than dieting, and I found EECP treatments to be extremely effective for a lot of people. So I Googled it, looked for it, and I found HeartFit clinic, Diamond Fernandez online, and I thought this would be a good solution for my cardiovascular, blockages in my arteries.
So what successes have you had with this?
Oh, amazing. It's totally amazing. There was a time when I probably walked about 50 steps and couldn't move anymore because my chest pains were so strong. But right now I can honestly say I can probably walk for hours. We went up to the Whistler in BC, the mountains, and we walked around there for practically half a day, and I didn't have any chest pains or any shortness of breath. So yeah, it's been miraculous. I highly recommend this to anyone that's seeking an alternative treatment to cardiovascular disease of any form. I Googled and looked for what's causing my cardiovascular. I think you have to get to the bottom of what's causing it, and obviously in my case a couple of things. Poor diet. I was overweight by about 65 pounds, so I addressed those problems, and I went on a diet that I'm sure Diamond can teach you or coach you as to what type of diet is effective. I lost about 65 pounds, and I feel a lot better, and dropping the weight really made a big difference in how my heart responded to the way I exert myself. I think it's fantastic. I'm not saying this because I'm getting paid. This is not an advertisement of any sort. Okay, I just want to give a great shout out to Diamond Fernandez, the HeartFit clinic, all the staff here in Vancouver. Has been fantastic. I should drop names like Janine's been great, Lori's been great, Catherine's been great, and of course Zara at the front desk has been great. So it's like finding a family that can help me with my cardiovascular disease, and I'm looking forward to future get-togethers with them. And I know I'm going to have to come back for maintenance at some point in time. So when that time comes, I'll be here. I'll be with the HeartFit clinic. And one more thing I'd like to say, it's not just about the EECP treatments. They look over the entire, your diet. They look at supplementation. They look at, even stress level, how to reduce your stress in your life. So it's a complete package that you're going to get from HeartFit clinic, and I really endorse you to endorse them as a place that you may want to check out, If you don't want to go through bypass surgery like me, this may be a great solution for you.